When air and missile threats evolve by the day, security relies on performance, not promises, and Patriot performance is unmatched. Proven in combat, proven against multiple threats, proven around the world. With hundreds of successful intercepts and a fielded global force of more than 240 Patriot fire units. Patriot stands apart. But it doesn't stand alone. Enabling simultaneous, multi-threat protection against ballistic and cruise missiles, aircraft, and UAVs. GEM-T demonstrates Patriot's evolving capabilities, with advancements that continue to improve performance and power a modernization path that stretches decades into the future. Patriot is engineered to be ready, backed by billions of dollars in production capabilities to expand capacity, compress timelines, and harden supply assurance to meet global demand. Patriot forms a backbone of shared European defense and collaborative European development, production, and sustainment, with multiple assembly sites across the continent and a supply chain that spans dozens of partners. That's why 19 nations trust Patriot, including 9 European countries and 8 NATO members. No other air and missile defense solution delivers this level of proven interoperability, shared training, and coordinated procurement. It's a global community, strengthening deterrence together. We're proud to deliver Patriot.